Hi viewers, warm welcome to Vista. This web series, Breaking the Myth, a stock market eye-opener series which will have 21 videos, each 21 minutes. This video help to learn about the stock market trading with a different perspective. The stock market alone, the people think that they want to make money in a overnight. So this is the saddest part. So these are the reason it made me to take 21 videos, each 21 minutes. Starts from basics. Starts from basics to the high level or advanced level. Right? So I am delighted, really happy to announce this web series, Breaking the Myth, a stock market eye opener. Definitely it will help you to know about the trading with a different perspective. So the first video will be released on 18th October, Sunday. The first video will be released through the YouTube channel. That first video is, we are discussing about the basics of business. So this 21 videos are divided into 4 parts. That is a part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. So the part 1, which will cover about the basics of the stock market, which includes understanding the business, then about the stock market, and the basics of the stock market, so on. So that is the first level, first part, which will consist of around 6 videos. The first part, mostly, which will cover about the basics of the business, basics of the stock market. Then the part 2, which will cover fundamentals. So this will consist of 6 videos, which will cover the basic fundamental and key ratios and earning per share, price earnings and so on. So the part 2 will cover only the fundamentals. Like that, part 3, which will cover the technical aspects. In case if you take a coin, there is 2 sides on that. Like that, any stock market, the 2 sides of the stock market is, one is fundamental, the other is technical. See, without these 2 aspects, or without these 2 sides of the stock market, if you are not knowing or not studying, then you cannot survive in the stock market. So the part 3 which will cover technicals, including your technical indicators, your technical analysis, the Fibonacci levels and Elliott wave theory, all that which we'll cover in the technical side. We will cover in the technical side. The part 4 and the final part, which is about chart reading and price action and your portfolio construction and the general guidelines, all that cover. This is around 5 to 6 videos which is talking about this, and finally 20 videos given the idea to breaking the myth. So this series definitely will help the innocent trader, or even if you have some experience in the stock market, just try to see each and every video. Just a 21 minutes video. We will not altogether, we cannot release all 21 videos immediately, maybe on a weekly basis. So you can subscribe my YouTube channel, so you will get a notification once the video is posted. So starts from 18th October Sunday. As I said earlier, the first video will be released, which will cover the basis of business. So until then, I'll take a leave. Bye.